Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming coverage and device compatibility. This prevents extra troubleshooting later. Open My Geo and sign in with your Geo number because account access is required to buy plans. Once signed in, navigate to plans 5G or unlimited offers and compare allowances and fair usage policies. Make sure your KYC is complete and your payment method is ready so you can complete recharge without delays. This gets you to the buying step quickly and legally. You now pick the unlimited 5G plan that matches your usage and budget, paying attention to any fair usage policy that may throttle speeds after a cap. Once you tap Buy, complete payment, and accept the provider terms, you'll receive an SMS or in-app confirmation that activation is pending. Once the confirmation arrives, restart your phone to refresh network registration. Make sure the SIM or eSIM is active in settings and that your carrier profile shows Geo 5G enabled. This completes the activation sequence. You finish by enabling 5G as your preferred network in mobile network settings and then verifying connectivity with a quick speed test and My Geo data counters. If you don't see 5G, toggle airplane mode and restart so the phone re-registers on the network. Make sure APN is set to GeoNet if required. If issues persist, contact Geo support with your activation SMS and IMEI ready. These steps finalize service and provide a single, practical troubleshooting tip to resolve most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.